The Bronx and Staten. I'll take Manhattan. The Bronx and Staten. I'll take Manhattan. The Bronx and Staten.
Good morning, guys. It's moving day and it has to be like the coldest day ever. The movers just came. They packed everything into their truck. We do have some stuff in our car and we're gonna head to Manhattan to our new apartment. As soon as the movers leave, we're gonna have to order delivery or something because didn't eat anything today and I'm starving. We got a dining table, but it's not assembled yet, so I don't know where we're gonna eat, but just gonna have to figure something out. Moving has to be one of the most stressful things ever. Just packing everything up, thinking about cleaning and unpacking everything again. I wish I can just like snap a finger and everything would be done. Just made it to our apartment. There's so much traffic coming here, but we finally made it and the movers should arrive very soon. I love all the natural light coming through. Can't wait to furnish everything.
Finally. Fair views.
Has no idea what she's doing in college. That she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years ain't picked a career. Like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do that. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new pants. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like weave. And she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black.
Look at what just came in. I love it so much. This looks like the Restoration Hardware cloud sofa, but it's not. It's a dupe, but I think it looks pretty similar. The fabric is just so soft. So the apartment is kind of coming along together. I'm almost done organizing our bedroom. Those picture frames need to be hung, but we thought that it was a pretty good place for them for now. I actually want to share some new bedding from Brooklinen that I received, which is perfect timing for the move. I was in need of new bed sheets because my other white ones were getting a little old. I also want to thank Brooklinen for sponsoring this portion of the video. Even before this collab, I've purchased Brooklinen products with my own money, which is why I'm so happy to be partnering with them. Right now, they're offering my viewers a special discount of $20 off of any order over $100, and you can use my code that I'm gonna put up here. And I would definitely take advantage of this extra discount. Brooklinen provides simple yet beautiful home essentials that are really good quality, and the best part is the price. High quality bedsheets are so expensive, but Brooklinen's philosophy is really to offer the quality and comfort without the luxury markup. I got the Luxe Hardcore Cheap Bundle, which costs about $200 to $250 depending on the size of your bed, and that's for the entire set. You can save 25% by purchasing this bundle, which comes with a core sheet set that includes a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. But this Hardcore Cheap Bundle also comes with 2 extra pillowcases and a duvet cover. I like to have my bedding look and feel cohesive, which is why I like the bundle. Other luxury sheet bundles that I've seen cost double the price, starting at like $500. So this is a great price, especially with the additional discount using my code. You can build your own bundle on their website and mix and match from 20 plus colors and patterns to just create your own style. This Luxe Sateen fabric, which is the one that I chose, is one of their best sellers, and it's so buttery and soft, perfect for all year round. It also has like a slightly luminous finish, so it really gives that 5-star hotel look. Making my home beautiful is very important to me because it's kind of like a form of self-care. Brooklinen really provides that elevated look for my bedroom, and honestly it just makes me happy every time I look at it. So now that my bed is finally set up, I'm gonna have a beautiful sleep tonight. I'm gonna sleep away all of my fatigue from moving. I'm really excited to test out the new sheets, so I'll check back in tomorrow morning to see how it was. I literally had the best sleep last night. It felt like I was sleeping on a pile of buttery clouds. There's something about these luxe sateen sheets, it really makes you feel like you're on vacation sleeping on a luxury hotel bed. So obviously I would highly recommend this bedding bundle. Don't forget you guys can also use my code HannahJYMoon to get $20 off of your purchase of $100 or more. I'll leave all the links in the description, so please check them out. I wish I could just stay all day in bed today. Ready right now to go out to dinner with some friends. We're going to a restaurant called Upland tonight, which I heard was really good and they have great service apparently. So just finished doing my makeup, need to get dressed, and today's supposed to be really warm. It was close to 60 during the afternoon, but I've been home all day just working from home, so I'm excited to step out of the apartment. Alright, now let's figure out what to wear. Here's the fit. Just got home. It's literally freezing outside. So cold. I think the coldest day of the winter this year. I'm gonna cook up some dinner, and today on the menu is soba noodles. I know it's a little bit cold for that, but it's the quickest thing to make and we're super hungry, so gonna get cooking. But first we have to organize the groceries. out this video to say thank you for watching and just following me throughout my journey. Although my body's physically tired, I feel like my spirit is alive because I'm just so excited for this new chapter in our lives. Also wanted to say thank you to Brooklinen for sponsoring this video. Don't forget you guys can use my code to get $20 off your purchase of 100 or more. All links are in the description. I actually can't wait to finish showering and jump into bed because it's just a perfect end to a long day. So I hope all of you have an amazing week and I will see you in the next one. Bye!